Hey Johnny, welcome to Mr. Creator Studios YouTube face again. I've been to a swimming pool, Johnny's. Have a head fever and everyone knows now because the sun is hot. Yes, the sun causing the flu's going about. And yeah, he had fever, Johnny's, I do. And yeah, Johnny's, my swimming was good, like fun, it was good, enjoyed it was excellent. And yeah, I see boys fighting, like, sorry no, I see boys fighting, Johnny's. But yeah, they're fighting. Yeah, I saw them fighting and that. Playing toy fighting, like wrestling and that. I used to fight, but no more. Because, like, I'm weak, man, to fight. I'm so weak to fight because I'm not very good to fight. It's hard. And yeah, it's heavy. It's just sometimes I get panic when I'm fighting, nervous and that. I get fears about fighting, Johnny's. I hate fighting. I get fears all the time. I fight people, when I look at their eyes, don't even make eye contact. I was just, they look on the ground, they say, wanna fight, and I look at them quicker and just avoid my eye contact. And yeah, I still at Johnny's. And yeah, my nose is getting itchy right now, and sneezy. I was about to sneeze, but could not sneeze because it's very hard. To sneeze with your bag and yeah. Oh god, oh heavy, but oh, it's good. It feels good. No, excuse me, Chinese. So first I got Chinese. I got like a heavy from my nose right now. It's about to sneeze because the sun's hot. And yeah, swim was good. I've been to Aldi's, got a spray in my bag. It's in my bag, Chinese. You can see it in my bag, which I can get like a microscope on there. I'm gonna get meds. Mum's gonna give me. My mum, I got to my aunt to give me meds when I get home. So it goes away. I leave the window open so it doesn't get worse and that. I'm going to take a spray, but I'm not going to jog today because it's hay fever's out. I like to go for jogging means, but not sunshine because it's hard. Hay fever's coming through my eyes and that. And yeah, it's so nice. Let's get down this. Okay, Janice. I'm going to close all my YouTube now. Thanks for watching. And let me know about my Minecraft videos. So, Johnny's shop. Yeah, go and check out in the description. And yeah, swim was good, and I've been to the shop because that's why it causes a heavy fever when I got at the swimming pool. I sneezed. Okay, Johnny's and stay fresh.